everything goes right, we're going to see our medical technician hanging from the hoist below the helicopter, giving a big wave. That's the plan. Looks like he's coming out.
Watch, buddy. Buddy, what are you gonna do?
Because of wind conditions out here, but he's clearly out on the skid. But he can see you wave, so give him a big enthusiastic wave. There he comes under the hoist. Now you got to ask, why would anybody do that? Because it's fun and it's an adventure. All right. He can see you wave. On a guard of the 92nd Air Refueling Wing. From the left, the Huey. From the left, the Huey inbound. Now, wind is limiting what they're going to be able to do today. Yesterday, we saw a parachute drop, simulating an abandonment of an airplane in flight, and then a second drop where the rescuers came in. The Huey will do a cable lift if everything works out right. Our jumpers that were here yesterday were members of the 36th Rescue Squadron, led by Lieutenant Colonel Eric Reithman. The 36th RQS supports the Air Force Survival School training. They train over 4,000 students per year here at Fairchild Air Force Base. Flight operations include live rescue hoist training, paradrop demonstration, and combat rescue procedures. The unit is one of the few hoist-equipped aircraft and night vision goggle-qualified aircrews in the inland Northwest. Search and rescue missions are conducted both day and night, often at high altitude in treacherous mountain terrain, in areas completely inaccessible by ground vehicles. The 36th RQS have rescued 710 military and civilian personnel in its 52 years at Fairchild. Together, both the three devices called a rescue strap, the hoist is utilized to get isolated and stranded people out of locations where the helicopter cannot land. You see the hoist coming down? Working in this wind is a very difficult proposition today. The pilot has his hand full holding his hover. And look at that, there go the two guys. They have been extracted. Now think how much fun it is. You can do this if you join the Air Force. And there they go on the cable. They'll be brought inside and secured. Helicopters are an amazingly flexible piece of hardware. Our pilot aircraft commander, Major Jacob Pomeranke, is going to demonstrate a few maneuvers now with the Huey. Give you an idea of some of the capabilities. You saw when it came in with the flag, its ability to lift off and move in about any direction it chooses. You know, a fixed-wing aircraft inherently wants to fly. If you lose power, you can glide. A helicopter is about 5 million moving parts all rattling through the air at the same time. And you don't glide a helicopter. You have to fly that helicopter constantly. Your feet and your hands are constantly at work. You got your hands full on a day like this. You can't hear the applause, but they go by, they can see you wave. So give them some enthusiastic waving out here. There he is, front on to you, showing what it can do. A little bit of left stick and slides it to the left. Because of the wind conditions, we are improvising a little bit out here. Medical technician on board today is Staff Sergeant Brendan Larkin, who comes from Toledo, Ohio. He's assigned to the 92nd Medical Group with over 7 years in the Air Force. Highly motivated and highly dedicated men and women in the United States Air Force today. Phrase, but that definitely was an adventure for that young man.